Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Globe Life, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by understanding your financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve through budgeting. Next, gather all financial documents. This includes income statements, bills, and expenses. After that, categorize your expenses. Divide them into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs remain the same, like rent or mortgage payments. Variable costs can change, such as groceries and entertainment. Once categorized, total your monthly income. This gives you a clear picture of your financial standing. Now, compare your income to your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Set a realistic budget that accommodates both needs and wants. Use the Globe Life budgeting tools available on their website. These tools can simplify your budgeting experience. Consider setting aside funds for emergencies. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. After establishing your budget, track your spending regularly. Using apps or spreadsheets can help keep your finances organized. Review and adjust your budget monthly. Life circumstances can change, and your budget might need adjustments. Lastly, stay committed to your financial goals. Consistent effort will lead to better money management. With patience and practice, budgeting will become easier. By following these steps, you can effectively budget with Globe Life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.